Here's a look at the eMini S&P for Tuesday, October the 27th. Of course, at eMiniDayTrader, we always like to use our market profile to get a background. Here's today's market profile. This is the profile and volume profile that formed overnight. And of course, this was the big down day that occurred yesterday. So we were mentioning that more than likely the 69 area would be acting as resistance. And as you can see, the market just got slightly above that before falling off and actually making new lows compared to the low from yesterday. So our down auction is still intact. We still think that the 69 area is good resistance. There is pretty good support from around 54 and change to around 56 and change right in here. So we're going to have to monitor that as support. However, if it fails to hold, then obviously that will be a major bearish development, and we're going to have another leg down, and that would certainly not surprise us, seeing as this down auction that we're in right now, I think, was confirmed with the kind of action that we had today. Here's the profiles that we like to use that are just the regular trading hours, just 9:30 to 4:15 Eastern Time. So we've got today, we've got yesterday, and we just get a little bit different look at the market, trying to determine what phase of the auction cycle we're in. So just looking at it right here, obviously the market is trying to stop its downward movement. It hasn't totally done that yet, so leads us to believe that the market's got further down move in it, and I think we'll just obviously have to monitor that to see if that 69 area continues to hold as resistance, and whether or not in the 55 to 56 area can actually hold as support. Those are the major numbers that we're looking at right now. As far as our trades were concerned today, we just had 3 early trades today. As you can see, the entire day's range was really formed in just the first hour and a half, something like that, hour and a half, I guess. So it makes it a little bit more difficult to get in on some trades. We were trying to get short. You see this brown shaded area in here. We were trying to get short when the market came up here these several times, but we never did get a signal. But we did have a nice short trade in here that moved 2.5 points in our favor. We had another short trade here, moved 2.25 points in our favor. We had a long trade in here, which was rather aggressive, and it turned out to be a break even. So that's the results that we had today. So a pretty quiet day, but a profitable day, and but we still think that the strength of the bears in the market right now are in control, and until further notice, will likely remain in control. So major resistance at 69. Immediate resistance at 65, immediate support around 57, and then look to see if it can hold below 54. So that's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader. Any questions or comments, just send us an email at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. Love to hear from you. Always enjoy reading your comments or questions. So thanks for taking the time to take a look at this video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.